Going on, guys? Just wanted to show you while I was cleaning this condenser out. I'm about to clean out the base pan and get ready to do a coil cleaning on it. It's not very dirty. It's got some stuff on it, but yeah, one thing that I use to get all that stuff out of the bottom, I got this from Mr. Steve Lab in one of his videos. I just use a shop vac, and I ordered an extra vacuum hose, so this is two hoses connected together, and this 1-inch PVC fits perfectly inside of it, so I can use that to get down inside. And I just have a little 45 on there so I can get stuff out from under the compressor and stuff like that, but it works surprisingly well. So after I saw that in one of Lab's videos a while back, I started using it, and it works like a champ. Now this unit isn't very tall, so you can reach down inside of it and grab the stuff, but on some of these higher end units from about 10 years ago, trains, carriers, things like that that are really tall, this is super convenient without having to flip upside down or without having to just disregard some of the stuff in the bottom of it because you can't reach it. This is a great way to get to it. So I'm going to fire up this vacuum and just show you how it works. So as you can see, guys, it works pretty well. I didn't go through everything just for the sake of video, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of how it works. But it works like a champ without having to flip upside down and get inside of these condensers. Like I said, maybe not necessarily this one, but some of the taller models are a pain in the butt to get down to the bottom to get leaves and stuff like that out, so you can clear out these weep holes. But yeah, this idea that again I saw from one of Steve Lab's videos definitely came in handy, so I decided to steal that idea and implement it on my truck, and it's definitely came in handy. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to clean out the debris in the bottom of a condenser, definitely try this out. Again, that's just this is like a little 2-gallon shop vac, and that is a 1-inch piece of Schedule 40 with just an elbow on the end of it. But definitely give it a try if you're looking for a way to get some of that debris out of the bottom of the units without breaking your neck. So hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.